Hey everybody, welcome back to Brass and Steel, where we break down all the latest and greatest in the firearms world. Today we're diving deep into SIG Sauer's massive product announcement from SIG NEXT 2025. And let me tell you, they dropped more new products than I can count on both hands. Before we jump in, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell because we cover all the hottest releases in the gun world. And if you're already part of the Brass and Steel crew, smash that like button to help us out with the algorithm. Now, SIG just announced a ton of new gear, and as usual, they conveniently forgot to mention the pricing on most of it. So get ready to play everyone's favorite game. Guess how loud your wallet's gonna cry. It's SIG. If you have to ask the price, you probably can't afford it. But let's be honest, you're buying it anyway. Let's start with the handguns because honestly, SIG went absolutely wild in this category. First up is the P211 GTO, and folks, it's finally here. SIG's version of the 2011. The first thing you'll notice is their compensator. They're calling it the Mohawk 3D, and it's actually 3D printed because they couldn't accomplish what they wanted through traditional machining. That's some next level engineering right there. It's got a steel frame with aluminum grip and those beautiful Mohawk G10 grips that give it an incredible feel in your hand. The flat trigger comes in at about 3.5 to 4 pounds. It's got a mag well, and here's the kicker. It takes P320 mags, including those chunky 23 rounders. It shoots incredibly soft and comes in both iron sight and optic ready versions with the SIG lock footprint. This is going to be an absolute winner in the competition world. Next up, we've got the P365 Lux. This thing has a beautiful black pearlescent Cerakote finish designed by SIG that not only looks great, but handles even better. What makes this special is the aluminum lower. It's their X or XL P365 grip module, and this is the first of its kind. The upper has an integrated expansion chamber that acts as a compensator. As the bullet leaves the barrel, the gas is pushed down and forward into that baffle, giving you less muzzle flip. Chambered in .380, according to SIG, this is the softest shooting self-defense pistol on the market today. Those lock panel grips feel great in the hand on that aluminum lower, and the expansion chamber combined with the aluminum grip module makes it incredibly easy to shoot. The P320 Reserve caught my attention with its beautiful high-polished DLC finish. That's the first thing you're gonna notice. But it's not just about looks. It's got deep serrations and an integrated expansion chamber just like the Lux. As the bullet leaves the barrel, those gases push down into the baffles, giving you less muzzle flip. The SXG steel lower softens up the recoil, making it incredibly easy to shoot. It's got lock panel grips with a palm swell that feels really good in the hand. It's both a shootable gun and a collector's item, and they're only making these for 1 year, so you better get yours soon. On to the P320 Max 2.0. Some of the great features you're going to love include that new look. It looks great, but also has serrations that are very, very deep, allowing for faster slide manipulations when hundredths of a second matter on the clock. The Springer Precision Adapter Plate mounts directly to the SIG lock footprint, allowing you to mount the Romeo 3 Max optic as low as possible for a clear field of view. It comes in both TXG and SXG variants, with very aggressive grips, extended Springer Precision mag release, mag wells, and 4 21-round magazines. The P226X has their newest addition to the 226 line with Legion stylization. This will be the most modernized and modularized P226 they've made to date, shipping in 4 new models, 2 full-size and 2 compact. The interesting thing about this pistol is that it has the frame geometry of their classic X5 pistols and will now be configurable. You can use either a double action single action or single action only trigger in both models, so it's configurable for both slide size and trigger style. That's some serious modularity. Last in the pistol category is the P365 Flux, where SIG partnered with Flux Defense to create something pretty unique. They made a lightweight polymer chassis specifically for the P365, and it comes with a 25-round magazine and features dual magazine release with a 6-inch barrel. Now here's where it gets interesting. You have the option of keeping the deployment button on there if you want manual control, but if you'd like, you can remove that button entirely. And here's the cool part. As soon as you draw it from the custom holster, the chassis will automatically deploy on its own. It's like having a piece of gear that transforms right in your hands during the draw stroke. Pretty wild engineering from the partnership between SIG and Flux Defense. Now, let's talk long guns, because SIG didn't hold back here either. We are super excited about the SIG Sawtooth 65 PRC because it's the lightest of the long-range cross-hunting rifles in the SIG lineup. It comes with a 22-inch proof research barrel chambered in 6.5 PRC. Has the ultra-lightweight handguard with an ARCA rail integrated right into it. They're calling this the ultimate backcountry hunting rifle, and I can see why. Every ounce matters when you're backpacking in the mountains. The SIG Hype is built on the 7.16 lower, but the upper is completely redesigned to support new high-pressure ammunition. It features an adjustable buttstock, matched 2-stage trigger, ambidextrous everything, adjustable gas block, and the barrel and everything has been designed to support that high-pressure ammunition for extended periods. This is SIG's answer to the growing high-pressure cartridge market. The 5.16 G3 Mohawk is an updated version of the 5.16 rifle that's been around forever and never really went away. It's been in service all around the world since SIG launched it back around 2010. Now they've modernized some features and made a lot of improvements. Working front to back, it's built from the ground up to be suppressed with a multi-selectable gas selector and full-length handguard. The receiver has been raised up a little bit to make it possible to get one continuous line handguard. That's why it's called the Mohawk, because it's a little bit taller. It has a non-reciprocating forward charging handle, as well as fully ambidextrous controls all the way around, including bolt release, magazine catch, everything. We are really excited to announce the new line of suppressors from SIG Sauer, and there are 3 main categories. The Hexium can is designed for semi-automatic rifles and comes in 5 different models, with different lengths, different calibers. In Inconel or titanium construction, this is your go-to for semi-auto applications. The TINCAN series is a competition or target-focused bolt gun suppressor. The intent is to make a suppressor as quiet as possible. Maximum sound reduction for precision shooting. The Endure series is your hunting suppressor for bolt-action rifles, optimized for field use while maintaining that maximum quiet operation. All 3 suppressors feature the hub lock design, so you're able to go from 1/2 by 28 to 5/8 by 24, or use another QD attachment that interfaces with the hub lock design. You can add heat shields or recoil mitigation devices, and all 3 are focused on being as quiet as possible. Now for the optics, and this is where SIG really innovated. I'm super excited about the Oscar 6 spotting scope. It's an image-stabilized spotting scope that's 16 to 32 power with 2 degrees of stabilization. You would be shocked at the amount of movement you get with a spotting scope on a tripod in very heavy, windy conditions, or if you ever bump a tripod. This thing gives you the ability to mount it to a tripod, on ARCA rail, or handhold it if you need to. It runs on 2 AA batteries and features a removable eyepiece, so as they upgrade and change eyepieces, you'll be able to swap them and continue using your stabilized spotting scope. The Bravo 6T BDX is a 3 to 18 first focal plane scope with a display built inside. The display talks to the elevation turret, so it shows exactly where you're at off of 0. As you dial it up, it'll say up 0.3, up 0.6, but it also gives you the range at which you're zeroed. As you dial up, you can see exactly what range you're going to hit with the center crosshairs. The scope takes into account all of your temperature, barometric pressure, everything like that. And you're able to load your ballistic data into this scope so it's always tuned up to your gun and your setup. The Kilo Warp is a weapons-mounted laser rangefinder that will hit a non-reflective target out to 1,700 meters. It connects to their BDX set of scopes and has an incredibly durable mount which allows this weapon-mounted laser rangefinder to stay zeroed. If you've shot a lot of weapon-mounted laser rangefinders, that is the most important thing. It has all of your applied ballistics internal to it, as well as your temperature, density, altitude, all of the sensors you need to make those hits at extreme ranges. Your ballistic data is loaded in. You press a button, laser goes out and gives you a return for your elevation hold to the target. The Romeo AT AMR basically capitalizes on the successes of their Romeo 8. It's 30% smaller, 30% lighter, with a couple millimeters larger objective window. The cool thing about this in particular is the brightness settings and reticle settings inside their magnifiers. There are magnets that, when rocked to center, will change the reticle to a few different reticle options, independent of magnified or unmagnified, as well as brightness settings that can be retained independent of magnified or unmagnified. It also has a night vision override button that will take you back to daylight, has memory to take you to top daylight brightness, or back to your night vision brightness settings. This new Romeo AT AMR does a lot of things that no other optics do. Brass and Steel family, there you have it. SIG's massive 2025 product lineup. From 2011 style pistols to image stabilized spotting scopes, they're clearly pushing the boundaries of innovation this year. What product are you most excited about? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if this breakdown helped you out, smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our coverage of the latest gear. And that's another round down range. Thank you for hanging out with Brass and Steel. Stay sharp, stay ready, and God bless.